Hi, it looks like you're interested in our upcoming 2-day sales management boot camp. Let me take a couple minutes and tell you what topics will be covered, and more importantly, why we even created this workshop. What we found in a third-party independent study that 83% of sales managers in the field today scored below or poor in developing salespeople. Now, some of you might find that interesting or surprising, but if you really stop to think about it, where do your sales managers come from? They typically are taken from your best salespeople. But unfortunately, the skill set that made them good at great salespeople is not the same skill set that got them at developing salespeople. So topics we're going to be covering is how to create a winning culture, how to have great communications of leaders, getting the best from your people, how to build an accountability-driven culture, how to hire, retain, develop your top salespeople, develop an effective onboarding process. What our studies show that the average mishire costs companies $150,000, and the two gaps are in the hiring, but more importantly in the onboarding process. We're going to be talking about effective coaching, pre-call strategizing, after-call debriefing, and a few other topics. So if this is something that you think you or your team might benefit by attending, either click below to register, or if you're still not sure, feel free to reach out myself, Carl Graff, at 214-393-4281. That's 214-393-4281. We can have a quick high-level conversation, and from there you can decide if that's something you'd like to make an investment in your team at or not. Until then, good selling.